babes! Before I go on and show you guys how I created this amazing look, I want to tell you guys about an amazing opportunity for you guys to make some extra money. Since we all know makeup is not cheap, and all the products that I show you guys in that video are also not cheap. And the best way to make that extra money is opinion outpost. You guys can do it while chilling on the couch, chilling with your friends, doing your makeup, I don't know, but you guys can literally do it anywhere. The only thing you guys have to do is literally just put your opinion on it. That's it. It's so simple, and it's a great way to just make extra money, and you guys can use that money then to buy all the products that I've used here. So if you guys are interested in, just click in the link down below in the description box and start making your extra cash today. Thank you so much Opinion Outpost for sponsoring this video. Mwah! I think I've talked enough, so let's move on with the video.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere, tears of rage, waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better now. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. No. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this over? Oh, is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? This be over now? Is this over now? Now is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Say, is this over? Hey, say, is this over? Is it over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now?
Never understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at. Don't want you to know my love is lost. change the past. Don't wanna complicate things. Maybe if I asked, was any of it real? Was it real? There's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking on you, so I'll say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say goodbye. There's only one thing. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Yeah, I'll say goodbye. Don't call me back, just say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say goodbye. I'm wide awake. We don't need to explain everything, no. All we need is to feel. We don't have to make any decision. It is part of the deal. You like it? You like it? So watch my body just take it all in, just take it all in, just take it all in. So pay attention, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way, I'm coming your way. All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I am music playing so loudly,